So you can hear that when I play around with the volume of this particular fader, I'm not just turning down the low percussion, but the high percussion as well. Both of these track stacks have been routed through to the same voltage controlled amplifier, or VCA for short. And of course I can rename it, so I can call it VCA drums if I want to, so that I can remember exactly what that is. And the reason why that might become important is that I might also decide that I want a VCA for the strings. So the short strings and the long strings can have their own VCA as well. So effectively now I've got control over both lots of string sounds if I want to. And this is what a VCA fader allows me to do. It creates a kind of grouped fader where I've got volume control, nothing else, no other processing, just volume control, but of a number of different sounds. So if I wanted to, I could set up a third one for the synths as well. And then effectively I'd have 3 controllers, 3 volume controls for every single sound within my mix, independently controlling the percussion, the strings, and the synths. So VCA faders are great when you want to take a whole collection of sounds, whether those are individual channels or bust groups of sounds, and have a volume control to control an entire collection of instruments within your mix.